Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, where we explore the future of finance and technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative concepts in the digital world. What is Web3, and how you can master it for 2025? If you've heard of Web3, but are unsure what it is or why it matters, this video is here to give you all the answers and help you prepare for the opportunities it brings. Check links in the description below for links to helpful tools and videos. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Web3? Web3, also known as the Decentralized Web, represents the next evolution of the Internet. Unlike Web 1, which was static websites, or Web 2, which focused on interactivity and platforms, Web 3 is all about decentralization. It leverages blockchain technology, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies to create a web where users have ownership over their data and assets. Part 2. 5 key features of Web 3. 1. Decentralization. Unlike traditional platforms like Google or Facebook, Web3 applications run on decentralized networks like Ethereum, ensuring no single entity controls the system. 2. User ownership. Web3 empowers users to own their data, digital identities, and even digital assets like NFTs or tokens. 3. Interoperability. Web3 platforms often work together seamlessly through shared protocols, creating a connected ecosystem. 4. Smart contracts. These self-executing contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries, ensuring trustless and efficient operations. 5. Tokenized economy. Tokens power Web3 applications, rewarding users for participation and aligning incentives within the ecosystem. Part 3. For reasons why Web3 matters for 2025. 1. Financial inclusion. Web3 opens up access to financial services for millions of people globally, particularly in underbanked regions. 2. Innovation and careers. As industries adopt Web3 technology, there will be increasing demand for developers, creators, and strategists in this space. 3. Wealth opportunities. From staking and DeFi to creating NFTs or starting your own DAO, Web3 offers countless ways to build wealth. For control over data. The era of Web3 will put you in control of your personal data and digital footprint. Part 4. How to master Web3 for 2025. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized finance. Knowledge is your greatest asset. In the description below I have links to videos explaining these terms. 2. Start using Web3 tools. Familiarize yourself with Web3 wallets like MetaMask and decentralized platforms like Uniswap or OpenSea. 3. Participate in communities. Join Web3-focused forums, Discord servers, or Twitter spaces to stay updated and network with others. 4. Invest in Web3 projects. Identify promising Web3 projects early. This could be through tokens, NFTs, or even staking in DeFi protocols. 5. Skill up. Learn coding languages like Solidity or explore blockchain-based career opportunities. Being ahead of the curve will pay off. Web3 is not just a technological shift. It's a paradigm change that puts power back into the hands of users. By understanding and embracing Web3 now, you can position yourself to thrive in 2025 and beyond. If you're ready to take the next step in mastering Web3, drop a comment below and share your journey. Check the links in the description for tools and other related videos. Subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams for weekly updates on crypto, blockchain, and financial independence.